Alright guys, so today we're checking out Pit Fire, and I've actually called my mate Garcia down, Wax, Lali from Juggle Boys. Garcia's always late. Today he's got there early and I'm late, so let's quickly get there. Salam alaikum, salam alaikum. Bro, you're always late.
I'm way on time, literally.
When it comes to tasting food and making sure you get a positive or negative criticism, but the honest criticism, there's only one guy we call, and he's not here. Big Wax, he ain't here yet. Right, no,
Big Wax is going to give you falseness, bro. I tell you the truth whether the food's good or not.
And we also have our young brother Lali. Alhamdulillah.
Today we're going to give you our honest opinions. Can't wait for you.
Yo, alright guys, so I turned up here to do a food review, but I'm late, man. This guy beat me to it.
I'm too early.
That's him.
That's me.
Alhamdulillah. So we'll be waiting for his review as well.
Inshallah, coming soon. I'm looking forward to yours as well.
Inshallah. In one word, how was your experience tonight?
Fantastic, it was absolutely beautiful.
What's the date?
More than one word, but we'll take it. Bro, you're only what, 45 minutes late? You don't act all humble now, right? Before 45 minutes late.
A wise man once said, let's eat. Bismillah.
Bro, have you already eaten?
Such a snitch.
Have you already eaten? See, how come you stop doing it when I'm recording you?
So get ready. 3, 2, 1. This is the new drink.
Well, save some for everybody else, you greedy guy.
It's usually a lot better when it's cold, isn't it?
That is sweet. Wow. You make it yourself?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. That's the secret ingredient.
Secret ingredient is love.
Ooh,
It's love.
Not at it.
Imagine never trying glazing.
So
That
you're
is alright.
supposed to come to a food testing thing and you've already eaten.
It was so
You
good.
know Packies always...
Glazing, but
You just don't know when to say no, do
the
you?
box thing.
It's fire still.
I eat it
Fire.
3 times a week. It's terrible.
Mr. Pizza himself, explain the difference between your pizza and any other pizza.
So where?
The concept here is a New York style of pizza, thin and crispy, 100% mozzarella, Pecorino Romano, Asiago.
Hold on, wait, what's Mecca Marano?
So the cheese is reused, 4 different type of blended cheese, mozzarella, Pecorino Romano, Asiago, and Parmesan.
The 2 of them I know, the other 2 I wasn't too sure of.
So this is the garlic bread, and what are you putting on it?
In-house hot honey.
In-house hot
Influencer
honey.
today.
Right, go on then, someone pull that.
I'm having the middle bit. To be fair, he's actually got it crispy. You can hear the crispiness of, oh, he's done it good, bro. I'm having these pieces.
Yeah, since you've touched them all, yeah.
Bro, on a serious one, that garlic bread is 10 out of 10. That is 10 out of 10. Yes, I swore.
Say wallahi.
I can't because I swore.
Customer, you can't take these kids anywhere. Garlic bread.
Do the put. And the pizzas, you get the put.
Bro, Garcia was right, man. That's lovely.
This here, it's like powder that's landed in my mouth and exploded.
That was so gay. To be fair, so they do it on a stone oven, I believe. Not plastic,
Thank God for that.
but stone. Look at this guy. You bet, right?
Look at the size. How do you eat it?
You fold it like this.
Oh, you eat it the American way.
This is how you're meant to eat pizza.
Brother knows.
That way, yeah? This is just too amazing. It goes everywhere. Look at that. Look at the size of this.
Death by pepperoni. Cheese is really nice.
Okay, so a lot of people don't know this, but this is actually how you eat a pizza.
You just
I'm doing an impression of Garcia.
Thank you.
yeah, but the only difference is you're dripping all over yourself. I'm not.
customer, bro. That is. The cheese is really nice. The pepperoni is beautiful. The base. What do you think of the base?
The base,
Yeah.
it's just a shame I'm not allowed to eat bread anymore.
You know how you get cheat days?
I don't.
You don't.
Ellie's eating bread. Guys, so me, Wax and Lali are going home now because apparently our opinion don't matter. Only Garcia's matters.
But nobody trusts anyone with no hair.
That's very true. No, very true. I'm really sorry, bro. You're Scottish. You're Scottish.
What a beautiful waitress, mashallah.
Go on, tell us what you got.
You got
Other than the beautiful smile.
This is spicy veg, yeah. There's no
Spicy veg, yeah?
spicy veg so that
Okay.
the Asian community get a bit of spice in it.
Wicked.
Hey, listen, I was so hot. I was so hot in that jacket.
The vegetarian hot one came out.
He just had one bite of a spicy pizza.
Hey, it's so hot.
There's women in here. Man's
Not naked.
it's been
My guy ate the whole pizza, left the crust, and he's like, I can't finish the pizza. I'm not going to eat the whole thing.
Mike not.
Pizza. It's like an OS3 living in my mouth.
What's your obsession with stopping in your mouth, man?
There's a lot of gay stuff happening in his mouth. You know that, innit?
It's always in his mouth. This is in my mouth.
Brother, you need to find God.
God.
Here in his California banana, and he wants to rip into my man bag. Yeah?
You wear this when you're 12 years old.
Bro, I
You're
feel
12 years
young.
old.
At least I don't look like a 70-year-old hippie, man. Come on. First time you meet Wax, yeah?
First time I've seen him on his strip, bro.
Listen, so honestly, before we go back in, we got 3 more pizzas coming out. What do you guys think of this pizza?
Alhamdulillah, right now, amazing. Every
Yeah.
pizza really soft. Alhamdulillah, mouth watering, the crisp, the softness.
Just copying me, just copying me.
I'm not. I'm
of
just
your
a
own
mini
words.
you, bro, innit? Tasteful, perfection, everything that the dictionary has not put in yet.
MashaAllah, he's,
Everything the dictionary
he's
has
inventing
got
his
food
own
words.
words. Alright, but look.
Actually eating the food valuable because when you're full, you're actually tasting the food actually good. You're not eating it because you're hungry. Everything.
All I
I've
heard was
knows the
blah blah,
situation.
blah blah blah.
I've had 2 pizza slices and a garlic bread and I'm gone. Halas.
Me, on the other hand, I just knew what I was doing, so I didn't eat all day, knowing I'm going to still be under my calories.
This one is the chicken pizza. Now in New York, they use a vodka sauce. So we've called it the New Yorker.
MashaAllah, so we got the chicken pizza here with the New Yorker sauce. The one in New York uses alcohol, so obviously these guys have kept it 100% halal. Right, let's see what chicken is saying. Chicken ki aakhne ha? Sorry, Wax is meat puri. Chicken ki aakhne ha? Nikah ki aakhne ha? Said chicken ki aakhne ha?
I don't know what language you're speaking.
Astaghfirullah, you just let the whole of meat puri stand down. On a side note, this chicken pizza and the sauce is beautiful, mashallah. Sauce is kind of sweet. I don't really go for cooked sweet dishes, but this is lovely. But our feedback is more chicken, please.
So if you come here, tell them you want bare chicken on the pizza. The sauce they put on it got a bit of a kick.
I blame the immigrants. Who else are we gonna blame?
They stole our chicken. The honest truth is, he did have chicken on it, but this guy stole half of it.
Immigrants.
Said this one is something different. Called the hangover. Alhamdulillah, I can speak for myself. I don't know what a hangover is. I don't know about Big Wax. Wax, you know what a hangover is?
Yeah, the movie, Alhamdulillah. Very good movie.
We know what your hangover is, isn't it? Your belly hanging over.
Astaghfirullah. Look at the people I'm with here, man. Kasme, bro. So what sauce is with this hangover? Donut pizza? Ranch sauce. Okay. The donut pizza, otherwise known as the hangover. Come on, guys. Collective thoughts on the hangover. That's it. Forget what everybody else is saying.
I think the pizza is nice, but the ranch sauce is not the one for this pizza.
Oh. Oh.
How dare you?
I think the garlic can have a kick with this.
Nickels I thought.
100%.
The spice is kicking in again. Mircha lag gaya.
Should we feed each other?
You
Guys,
said you feed each other.
I'm at beer glass here.
Yours tastes better than mine.
How much of a bag?
That has to be the most traditional, lovely tasting margarita pizza I've had in a long time. It's got to do with it being thin crust, the cheese, the sauce, the herbs. Lovely.
Too full. Impossible. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, Subhanallah.
Finish your food, bro. 12 bottles of bleach. Well, that's why I called you. I didn't call you just to sit about in your banana. Alright guys, mashallah, you know, we had the pepperoni, we had the chicken, we had the doner pizza, which is called a hangover, we got that vegetarian hot one, and we got margarita. Absolutely banging, the whole lot of them. My favorite, the pepperoni one. Make sure you come down and try it out. This guy ate so much pizza, he's battered. He's finished, man. He's coloss. This guy's coloss.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wow,
You should order pizza from here for tomorrow.
So alhamdulillah, we just finished from Pit Fire. Mashallah, pizzas were lovely. I actually feel sorry for them because we were a bit jungly. Talking about jungly, I got Jungle Boys.
With you, you know what? The food was so nice that we just started talking nonsense. I didn't even know what to say. Alhamdulillah, the food was absolutely beautiful.
24th of September is doing the hard launch. And listen, I said that the pepperoni one was lovely, but they were all lovely, mashallah. But my favorite is the pepperoni. Chicken one wasn't that much of my favorite, but they're still doing their feedback session, so they will improve it before the 24th. So yeah, look forward to that space. Leave some space in your belly because you will need plenty of it.
The motto of the day is, don't delay, go today.
Unless the launch is on the 24th.
Yeah.
Till the next time, salam.